The Family Kitchen, the perfect recipe of love and food.
This is Shilpa saying hello, hi, namaskar, adab. Welcome to the Family Kitchen, your favorite recipe of love and food. Brought to you by lifestyle partner Danube Home, hygiene partner Cool & Cool, and associate sponsor Nika Electronics and Home Appliances. Our special guests on today's show are the Ahmeds, who are going to be making the Sheer Kurma cake. We have Yasmin, who's probably going to be taking the lead, her husband Irfan, and their 6-year-old son Rohel.
Hi, I'm Yasmin. I'm from Udupi, Karnataka.
Hi, my name is Irfan Ahmed. I'm from Mangalore, Karnataka in India.
उडुपी शहर अपनी क्यूज़िन के लिए बहुत ही फेमस है। मेरी एजुकेशन और बचपन का बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा कुवैत में गुजरा, जहाँ से मेरी कुकिंग की जर्नी की शुरुआत हुई। एंड जो एडवेंचर एंड पैशन कुकिंग की तरफ है, मैं इसका पूरा श्रेय अपनी मदर को देना चाहती हूँ, जिन्होंने बहुत ही प्यार से और अपने वार्मथ के साथ मेरी हर एक्सपेरिमेंट के लिए अपना किचन हमेशा खुला रखा।
I like cooking with my mother. It's so exciting. It feels like I'm on a cooking adventure.
Most of the time, my role in kitchen is when there are guests or when there is any dawat in our house. So, setting the table and doing the dishes and all the that's it.
The extra hand, he gives the extra hand. For Eid, it is always the beginning of the day is like with the sheer kurma. That is in every household, I believe. And apart from there, from the place where we come from, the tradition is we have this idli sambar for breakfast. And we have idli sambar every other day, but that day it tastes even better or something special. There's something special in the air, you can say. So because the family is around and it's very festive. And biryani, that is the trademark in every household, every Muslim household for any festivity. Me?
No, me. No, I'm in the middle, so I'm the boss.
No, I'm the boss.
No, I'm the boss. I'm the boss. I'm the boss.
Okay, boss.
I'm the boss.
Okay, sit down. At times it is like good and safe to stick to the recipe when you need the authentic meal, but I am a very experimental person. I like to put my own touch and create something different. That's kind of an adventure for me inside the kitchen. He is very fond of biryani.
Mostly biryani and most of the desserts what she cooks are very nice. Yeah, I have cooked Maggie for her.
Yeah. When I was sick. Otherwise, he's not.
I don't enter the kitchen at all.
I don't like when my mother makes spicy food and fish.
Yeah, I don't want you to cook baigan ka barta ever again.
Okay,
You don't even cook my stuff, okay? I mean what I hate.
Bacon is my favorite, so it keeps popping up now and then. But okay, fine. I take it. I would love if he just does the dishes for me, because that is one thing which I hate doing. I don't mind taking over the kitchen and doing the cooking stuff. I don't want people to come and interfere. One thing that I'm very good at is to salvage the dish and somehow bring it out on the table. So I have these tricks and some tips and tricks which I put it over on the dish and somehow make it presentable and eatable. So I like to save the dish till it's on the table. So I'm very good at that.
Let's welcome them to the Family Kitchen. Hello, Yasmin, Irfan, Rohel, high five. So Yasmin, tell me something about this exotic sounding recipe, the sheer kurma cake.
Yeah, the sheer kurma, as you know, it's a very popular dish in every household, a festive dish, especially on Eid.
Right.
So a couple of years back, I just came up. I decided to give this traditional dish a modern twist, and came up with this cake.
Right.
And since then, it's been a hit at home on every Eid, and popular with the kids and grown-ups alike.
While the family decides who plays what role in the cooking, why don't you guys take a short break? See you soon, only on The Family Kitchen, your perfect recipe of love and food.
The Family Kitchen, the perfect recipe of love and food. The Family Kitchen, the perfect recipe of love and food.
Welcome back to The Family Kitchen. So friends, are you ready to learn this interesting recipe of sheer kurma cake? I surely am. Let's get started.
So first we will start with the sheer kurma.
What exactly is sheer kurma?
Sheer kurma is actually a traditional Eid dessert, and the meaning of sheer kurma is milk with dates.
Wow. And dates are supposed to be very energetic.
In the Persian language.
So you're using ghee, is it?
First I'm heating the pan and I add 2-3 tablespoons of ghee. You pass me the almonds.
Okay, so we have the family crew helping out Yasmin right here. Way to go,
Yeah.
guys.
So I'm just going to put
Hey, could I
a
put
bit
some?
of this. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
He likes almond, like, you know, it's good for the brain, right?
Some pistachios,
Yeah.
chopped pistachios.
Pistachios?
Yeah.
I know pistachios.
Okay, and then?
Okay, and then we'll go for this cashews,
Okay.
the chopped cashews. And
One last.
we're just going to toast it.
And
Kids will be kids, you see.
Yeah, he's getting the place messy already. Okay, enough.
You know, what's cooking without a little mess? I mean, I want my kitchen to be messy, but it's so much fun, you know, when the whole family cooks together, right, Irfan?
Especially, it's like for the kids, it's a learning experience. So I try to hold my temper on that.
Okay.
And we have the cardamom there.
I'll put some.
Okay. Yeah.
2 pods, only 2 pods.
So cardamom really, I think, adds a good fragrance and flavor,
Yeah,
right?
it enhances the flavor. And now we're just going to add the.
Sheer kurma.
No, this is not the sheer kurma. It's called vermicelli.
Vermicelli.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what needs sheer kurma. Sheer
Yeah.
kurma.
Right. So vermicelli is actually the main ingredient
Yes.
of sheer kurma, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great.
And now we'll add the milk. 2 cups of milk. Yeah.
Okay.
This is going to be a family
And
sheer kurma.
Yep.
Now it needs to boil. We're going to add few strands of saffron. Just few. That's it.
It's cooked with love,
Yes.
right?
Is it?
Yep.
He just put as it begins to heat. Now Irfan is going to add some mithas into it.
Definitely.
4 teaspoons.
Yeah, 4 to
But
5 according to taste.
Right, right. Irfan, tell me, I believe this is your first time in the kitchen. How does it feel?
Yeah, it's my first time. I'm quite nervous now.
But I'm sure that when you have a pro chef like Yasmin, your nervousness will slowly disappear. Are you enjoying the experience?
Yeah, I'm just supporting her being here.
He's always there, an extra hand. Rohit, can you pass me that rose water, please?
Okay, so what does this rose water do? Like it adds.
It gives that the flavor. The sheer
Okay.
kurma is having this mixed flavor of exotic spices like cardamom and the saffron,
right.
and the rose water enhances it all.
Right.
So I think we are done with this. We'll just put this aside, and it has to cool before we soak it into the cake.
Now that the sheer korma is ready, the next step is to get the cake ready. Let's find out how it's done.
Yeah, first now we are going to start with the cake. Before that, we have preheated the oven to 180 degrees.
Okay.
And now we just need 4 egg whites. Perfectly, yeah. Now we are going to put this into the beater.
So we have this Nikai Food Factory, which is like a magic machine, and we'll soon see the magic.
And we are going to beat this until it's going to get a little frothy, little bubbly. Yeah, turn it down. Now we are going ahead and putting the cake flour.
Right.
So cake flour is nothing but all-purpose flour. We're just going to take off around 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and replace it with corn flour, the same quantity.
Okay.
So this becomes cake flour now.
Yeah.
Now we'll add it into the machine.
Yeah. So we're going to add the butter now.
It's softened butter at room temperature and the milk.
Is it easy to pour it through the machine right there?
Absolutely, as you can see.
Great.
I'm just popping things on and off.
So you've seen the wonders of the Nikai Food Factory, guys, and I'm sure the cake is also going to turn out equally wonderful.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
That's right, let's repeat it all together.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
So now that the whisking is done, what's next?
Now it's getting ready to go in the oven. We are just greasing the mold and we're going to just drizzle some flour over it.
Okay. So this is also a tea cake you were telling me, right?
Yeah. Now we have the batter in the mold.
Yeah.
And now it's time to put this in the oven and bake it for 30 minutes. Now we're moving on to the frosting.
Right.
That's the best part. So we have some softened button over here. Add it to the beater. This is going to be a butter whipped cream frosting with the saffron flavor.
Okay.
Just going to beat this until pale in color.
Okay.
The butter is almost done.
Yeah.
Now we have the whipped cream over here. Some whipped cream into the butter, creamy butter now.
Okay.
Now this frosting is ready. Now our dome-shaped cake is out of the oven. It smells amazing
frosting looks
you can see
yummy,
this.
Mama.
Yeah, it does. So now you're going to just cut it.
But before we begin the frosting, can we just clean up all this mess with our cool and cool
definitely.
kitchen towels? And cool and cool hand sanitizer for you. Clean your hands nicely.
I did that.
We've just cut it up.
Yeah.
Teamwork
We'll
makes
just
the dream
open it.
work.
Okay.
And we are going to put in sheer kurma we had made earlier.
Yeah, it's very amazing. It's so much famous.
And we are going to put in this yummy butter whipped cream. So cake layer bन गया. Now the top layer.
Almost there. Yeah.
Almost there. Almost.
Okay. Now Ruhail, it's your turn.
Yeah.
I want
Now
you to-
vermicelli.
Yeah, just
Sprinkle the vermicelli.
sprinkle it up. Now we are going to decorate. We are going to garnish this off with some dates. As you can see, we just opened up the date.
Yeah, it's made
and
into
we
small
just-
florets.
Yeah, florets like this, and
Yeah.
picked out the stone. I'll just dip it into this powdered pistachio here, and,
Yeah. I love pistachios.
and that
If I do
cashew. As I get the piping bag with some frosting in it, and I'm going to
Could I have
decorate
the
it.
seed?
Yeah, we're almost there. And the dates, which Irfan and Ruhail have just decorated. Yeah, looks great, right? And I have some rose petals
Wow.
which will go on it. So I have these dry rose.
Right.
You can just have a. And
Amazing.
So this is the final touch.
So friends, this is our sheer kurma cake. I'm sure you guys are also wanting to try it at home. So good luck for that. But hang on, because we have another recipe coming up only for you.
The Family Kitchen, the perfect recipe of love and food. The Family Kitchen, the perfect recipe of love and food.
Welcome back to the Family Kitchen. Brought to you by lifestyle partner Danube Home, hygiene partner Cool & Cool, and associate sponsor Nika Electronics and Home Appliances. Now it's time to prepare something off the cookbook with our chef Torrej. So, आप क्या बताने वाले हैं? क्या रेसिपी बताने वाले हैं आप?
Tell you know how to make halim. We add little bit of ghee. Okay. Now we add whole garam masala, like inside mace and cinnamon stick. We'll add inside the ghee in pan.
Yeah.
Just take a little bit of time. Just you know heat the oil. Exactly. हम इसके अंदर सबसे पहले डालेंगे जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट 1 स्पून, बस है इतना, ठीक है। फिर इसको हम थोड़ा पकाएंगे, जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट। एग्जैक्टली। इसके बाद इसमें हम ऐड करेंगे चना दाल। एग्जैक्टली। वी ऐड 4 स्पून ऑफ चना दाल। ओके। आफ्टर दैट वी ऐड वाइट उड़द दाल। अगेन वी ऐड 4 स्पून, इक्वल क्वांटिटी। थोड़ा इसको हम पकाएंगे ताकि इसका जो फ्लेवर है, दाल का फ्लेवर बाहर। एग्जैक्टली।
तो कितनी देर तक पकाना होता है?
इसको 5 मिनट्स।
जी।
ओके। अब इसके अंदर मैं थोड़ा ब्राउन अनियन ऐड करूँगा, इस फ्राइड अनियन।
अच्छा, ये तकरीबन कितना क्वांटिटी?
ये 100 ग्राम अनियन है। ओके। बिकॉज व्हेन यू कैरमलाइज द अनियन, इफ यू टेक 100 ग्राम इज कमिंग मे बी 25 ग्राम। एग्जैक्टली। इसको हम थोड़ी देर पकाएंगे। अब इसमें हम थोड़ा सा कोरिएंडर लीव्स, हमारे पास फाइनली चॉप है, वो डालेंगे थोड़ा। नाउ वी ऐड लिटिल बिट ऑफ ओट्स बिकॉज ऑफ स्टार्च। स्टार्च इज रिक्वायर्ड, यू नो। विल ऐड 3 स्पून।
Oats is a very nice idea.
Yeah, exactly.
It's got a lot of fiber.
3
Fiber
spoon
and
is enough. Now we'll cook together, maybe 5 minutes again.
Okay. I usually make halim, लेकिन ये oats का idea बड़ा
Yeah,
अच्छा
because
लगता
some people are using, you know, some wheat flakes,
है। Yes.
wheat like broken wheat, or we are using, you know, oats. Oats is a little bit unique.
Unique और easily available.
Exactly.
Right.
Now we add little bit of salt. Now we add lamb mince.
इसमें मसाले भी डले हुए
No,
हैं?
इसके अंदर कुछ भी नहीं है, just ये mince है.
Minced है।
Okay.
Is it raw or is it?
Yes, it's raw.
Okay.
Raw. Okay.
Now we'll cook again together. Mix together. Again we add little bit of chili powder, just little bit. Then we'll add little bit turmeric powder, haldi powder. Okay, just for color. Again we'll cook. उसके बाद now we add little bit of water. अब इसको थोड़ी देर पकाएंगे साथ में।
ये इसको ठीक से इसमें
हाँ
चलाएंगे।
जी, पूरा मिलाएंगे बराबर।
Okay.
ठीक है।
ये कितनी देर लगेगी?
ये मैम इसको
ठीक
पकने में
से?
45 मिनट्स लगेगा। बेसिकली आप इफ यू गो प्रॉपर वे देन टेक 45 मिनट्स।
45
ओके,
minutes.
बिकॉज दिस इज कॉल्ड क्विक हलीम।
हाँ, ओके।
I think ये एक अच्छा न्यूट्रिशियस मील भी हो सकता है, right?
Exactly, it is.
बिकॉज आफ्टर लॉन्ग फास्टिंग ना इज रिक्वायर्ड, यू नो, मोर कैलोरीज एंड मोर एनर्जी, ऑल सेट इज देयर।
हाँ, तो मतलब साइंटिफिक भी है और एट द सेम टाइम खुशबू तो इतनी बढ़िया आ रही है, मुझे लगता है बहुत टेस्टी भी बनने वाला है।
मेरी बेटी का तो बहुत ही फेवरेट है हलीम, तो आई एम डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू ट्राई दिस
विद द ओट्स।
या विद द ओट्स दिस टाइम।
अब इसके अंदर हम थोड़ा सा दूध ऐड करेंगे, यानी 250 ml।
ओके, वाओ, अगेन मिल्क इज
Yes.
द न्यूट्रिशियस एलिमेंट हियर। इट्स अ होलसम मील ऑल टुगेदर।
नाउ वी कवर, ओके, फॉर
Yeah.
25 मिनट्स।
ओके।
ओके,
अपनी धीमी आंच पे
एग्जैक्टली।
इसको प्रेशर कुक भी कर सकते हैं।
यस, प्रेशर कुकर में भी डाल सकते हैं। प्रेशर कुकर में बहुत जल्दी बनेगा.
बन जाएगा.
Yeah, is faster. That's why we'll give a name Quick Halim.
Let's clean up the counter now with our cool and cool kitchen towels, which are always handy anywhere, anytime for quick mess up. तो शेफ तौरेज 45 मिनट्स हो गए, देख लें कैसा बना है.
Sure, आप इसको चेक करेंगे.
हाँ जी. Wow.
It's nice.
Oh, the aroma is
Now,
Mouth watering, yeah?
yeah.
now we'll mix.
Salivating.
Now we transfer in this
Oh,
bowl.
अच्छा.
Okay.
We are going to put it in this handi pot.
Exactly. Now we put on top of brown onion. And along with the saffron bread. It's called taftan.
Okay.
Okay. इसमें क्या डलता है शेफ?
इसके अंदर basically we'll take refined flour. Okay, मैदा. We'll add little bit of ghee and saffron
And saffron.
and
अच्छा.
milk.
Okay, तो ये कलर भी saffron.
Yes, saffron color.
अच्छा. Very rich.
Now is ready to serve.
I believe कि आपको hygiene और cleanliness का बहुत ख्याल है. So why don't you just clean with this cool and cool kitchen towel? First of all, thanks to the Ahmed family for being on our show.
Welcome.
Thanks a lot.
And a special word of thanks to Chef Taurej for sharing your expert knowledge with us. Well, as a token of our appreciation, you go home with some amazing gifts. First on Nikai Electronics और Appliances की ओर से आपको मिलता है a Bluetooth speaker, एक electronic rice cooker and a 4-in-1 multifunction juicer, blender and mincer. इतना ही नहीं, Cool and Cool की तरफ से भी आपको मिलता है एक शानदार gift hamper. And of course, last but not the least, Danube Home की ओर से आपको मिलता है एक शानदार gift voucher.
Thank you.
And you know what, guys? We have one more surprise for them. Chef Taurej की ओर से भी आपको कुछ खास gift मिलने वाला है.
Oh, that's great. I can't wait.
Wow!
This is a gift hamper.
It looks amazing. Thank you.
Inside basically, you know, say biryani ingredients and biryani recipe also there.
Wow.
And one voucher for you also, okay? This is gift voucher for you.
Okay.
Thank you so much for being on the Family Kitchen. So friends, this is Shilpa signing off. See you in the next episode with many more amazing stories and wonderful recipes to excite your taste buds. Only on the Family Kitchen, your favorite recipe of love and food. Brought to you by lifestyle partner Danube Home, hygiene partner Cool and Cool, and associate sponsor Nika Electronics and Home Appliances. Bye-bye, namaskar, adab.